This is such a fun Halloween party! All of our costumes look incredible! Speaking of costumes, when does the costume contest start? I think it should be any minute now! I can't wait! Hello everyone, and welcome to our first annual Halloween costume party and contest! My name is Ariel, and I'm going to be your host for tonight. Let's get started showing off all of these fun costumes. Our first contestant is Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig is dressed as a unicorn fairy. She even has a ribbon rainbow tail. Thank you, Peppa. Our next contestant is Chase. Chase is dressed as a dinosaur. Look at that tail. Chase even has a dinosaur egg with a baby dinosaur inside. Looking good, Chase.
Wiggle!
Giggle! Play! Next up is Elsa, dressed as a wicked witch. Look at that broomstick. She has a magical purple cape. Elsa's costume is completed with her little cat named Stormy. Meow. Great job, Elsa! Next up, we have Bingo, dressed as a soccer player. Complete with her soccer ball and water bottle. Show us what you got, Bingo. All right, what a kick. Thanks, Bingo. Great outfit. Our next contestant is Marshall, dressed as an astronaut. Wow, he even has a rocket pack with a glowing alien. Awesome costume, Marshall. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Now we have Bluey, dressed as a rainbow unicorn. Bluey's costume includes a golden horn and wings, along with rainbow hair and a rainbow tail. I'm magical. Awesome costume, Bluey. Our next contestant is Moana. Moana is dressed as Wonder Woman. Look at that outfit, mask, and shield. She even has a cape. Awesome costume, Moana. Next, we have Rubble showing off his costume. He's a pumpkin trick-or-treater. Trick-or-treat. He even has his own candy bag and a ghost. Fun costume, Rubble. Now we have Skye presenting her cheerleader costume, complete with pom-poms and a megaphone. I've got the spirit, yes I do. I've got the spirit, how about you? Great spirit, Skye. That completes our costume contest. You all have such great costumes, but there can only be one winner. And the winner of the first annual Halloween contest most creative costume goes to Moana! Oh, thank you so much. This is such an honor. I've never won a contest before. Well deserved, Moana. Congratulations. I plan to share this trophy with all the other contestants and my friends because we're all amazing. Thank you so much. And that concludes our first annual Halloween costume party and contest. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.